What's up, you guys? I am on a rescue mission today. Robert's delivery truck broke down on its way to Squim, of all places. Yes, I won't say the name of the engine out loud because I'm going to get all kinds of comments and I told you so's. It's newer than a 7.3 powerstroke. It's not a Cummins, first problem, and it is not an old powerstroke. Red Ford is what we refer to as the only modern truck in the fleet. Everything else that we have is basically like a tractor engine in a truck body. I called Hunter and asked him what I should try and do to fix it and what tools I should bring with me, and he told me that there's nothing I can do. That basically I just have to get it back to his shop and we can hook it up to the computer. Fun fact, trailers are called trailers because they trail behind the vehicle that tows them. Think about it. You might be a redneck if, when you're driving down the road, you occasionally sniff the air because the smell that your vehicle is putting off will tell you whether it's doing well or not. For instance, I smell burning coolant, but that's okay because I already know that there's a coolant leak. And I topped it off with fluid, and that's totally normal. That's a healthy smell for this truck. Open the window a little bit, take a whiff, check in with everything, smell all the normal smells that an old dirty truck puts off, and then you're good for a little while. You can just do that periodically to keep you on the road. So I have two come-alongs with me. I think this is a 6,000 pound. I'm just realizing right now that's not nearly enough. I have a block. This might be really slow. Yeah, it's gonna be really slow. ladies and gentlemen. What's up, you guys? I'm back after spending way too much time on Plan B, and what I also thought would be really cool is if it started raining really hard for Plan B, and also if I did Plan B in the dark, because it's getting dark now. But this whole headache rack was flexing. I think it actually retained its shape, but it is not happy about this. Could have fit. We have a problem. That's not on the trailer. Should have gone on backwards. But that might be enough space. We're gonna need every single inch.